Tropical storm Michael has just formed in the Northwest Caribbean, and we're going to continue to monitor Michael in the days to come as it continues to strengthen and also move northward across the Gulf of Mexico toward the U.S. And this is going to bring some heavy rain into parts of the southeast. That rain initially, though, will be heaviest in areas like Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula. Then it will move into the southeast. Notice that band of heavy rain working across the panhandle of Florida into Georgia, and then watch where it goes. Right into North Carolina, and of course, this area is still recovering from Florence, and now we're talking about some heavy rain coming to an already very crippled area.